think that we should take a small breather.
Oh, you are manipulating me.
No, don't leave me, please.
Did you flip a switch and erase me from your memory? It took you a year! A year to get over your ex! Did you ever love me at all?
Why'd I have to go and do you like that? Thought I'd moved on, then you brought me right back to the night you took my kiss away from me. I took yours too.